I guess the jet ski addiction is continuing at full throttle.
Purple bottom waveraider.
That looks perfect. Perfect gap. Yeah, I don't think he's lying to me, but you never really can tell.
So I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. All right, boys. I think we're gonna get found out today because something else just showed up. And
Hello. Yeah, you just take it away. You can.
I'm the spokesman for talking about
good at
this.
talking.
All right, so Josh just picked up a pretty beat up purple bottom waveraider, and I'm gonna tell you why this is good. So, my neighbor just bought one of these that's, you know, kind of like this, except for it's in perfect shape. It's a newer one with the non-purple bottom hull, so it's the heavier hull, and it's got the single carb 701 with the superjet style pipe that doesn't make as much power, and it's not as nice. It's a newer model. That was like the bottom of the bucket model on the newer ones because they had the 760 and 1100, but this is back when having a 701 was a big deal, so I'm pretty sure this has got a twin carb 701 in it. Let's take a look.
Yeah, it's a twin carb 701, and I don't know if the viewers are thinking this yet, but we do have an extra 3-cylinder 1200 sitting around right now.
Holy cow! A 1200 3-cylinder and a purple bottom waveraider. So I can't remember how much these weigh, but it's not very much more than a wave blaster.
There you go, it's a dual carb.
So we got a dual carb with a wraparound pipe, and that's pretty good. Yeah, this thing, I'm betting he got it kind of cheap because it's kind of beat up and it looks like crap. But
Exactly.
I do kind of think this cool red faded to KTM orange is cool.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like it's supposed to be like that. But yeah, twin carb 701, that's nothing to sneeze at. That's your 80 horsepower or 75 horsepower. That's your best power 701. So that'll be sweet.
Yeah, well, we need to get this out. We need to get out. Hopefully we can get a time on the track today, but we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, hopefully it runs perfect and everything.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. All right, so we got the waveraider on our little cart made out of 2x4s. Trying to get a little starter fluid in there. Since it's a purple bottom, it's light enough that it can not break the 2x4 cart. That's pretty good.
I was there, and we were trying to jump start it when I was buying it, and it was like cranking forever and ever, and you know, you didn't have starter fluid or nothing, and I was just like, I don't want to get going, so I was like, alright, whatever, I'll take it, even though I don't know if it runs. And he's like, oh, it does run, trust me, it does run, and this is the first time when somebody has said that to us that it's been true.
Yeah.
But I had cranked it over, so I knew that the motor spun, and just my feel of the guy was like, yeah, I don't think he's lying to me, but you never really can tell.
Yep. So this baby's got a 62T 701 with a dual 38mm Mikuni carburetors. That's pretty good. That's basically the best 701. I think these are like 70 or 80 horsepower. Somebody was asking a question about that the other day for their thing they were doing.
And this is a fiberglass hull. So
Yeah, it's a purple bottom, so it does not have the extra set of mounts in the back, and you can see that the bottom is like actually fiberglass, and then there's like this thing glued on for the engine mounts out of like SMC or whatever. That's great. So this thing is definitely a little bit beat up. The nose kind of looks like crap.
It's perfect for the JetSki.
Yeah, so I guess we're gonna...
Because we got to get them cheap. Because we're always got so dang many.
Here's what I'm announcing. It sounds like we're gonna have a Yamaha 1200 Shootout. And my superjet 1200.
It's too bad somebody
That's done.
Too bad somebody decided to put Bondo on here.
Well, I think that's like the fiberglass Bondo jelly at least. At least it's not like...
I'd rather just start from like a cracked hole than have
That's true.
but I mean, I guess I don't.
It's not. It doesn't look like it's as bad as so. I have had a ski where I've like rebuilt the entire nose on it before.
Yeah, like I'm not too worried.
And this has a little bumper on it that'll cover it up where it looks like crap, and you can't do that good of a job anyway.
Yeah, well, I guess it's time for us to gear up, and I'm hoping that you're taking the 701 GP out, so we can have the 701 Shootout.
Oh yeah, I could. If you don't want to see that 1200 going.
Well, I thought you filmed that the other day.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know that we actually got any good, like, onboard footage, but...
Okay, well, we'll see what we take out with this.
Yeah.
So, as Jacob would say, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Just to let you guys know what's happening, Jacob's fueling up the 1200 swap superjet, and he's going to take that out today. We are actually going to try to set lap times at the track, but it means we're going to have to try to get a log out of our way that's in there. Unless by some miracle the tide pushed it out of our way, which I kind of doubt. But also, so I've got that new waveraider, which we're going to hopefully lap time that. Jacob's got this, we'll lap time that, hopefully. And Jason is actually coming at some point. He's got a ton of jet ski parts that he just bought, and maybe 2 new, I think he just got bare holes maybe. Or maybe they have engines, I'm not sure. But anyways, I guess the jet ski addiction is continuing at full throttle now since it's sort of nice out.
Alright, I really hope that I have this camera positioned sort of okay.
your problem right there. Well, that spark plug is smushed. I'm gonna just gap that out, fire this baby back up. I want to show them that I gapped it perfectly. So I just pried it up with my handy crescent wrench. Seemed like too much gap, so I can get my handy feeler gauge. Yep, that looks perfect. Perfect gap.
Nice.
Alright, so I already tested everybody. Right now I was just turning down the idle because the idle was set way high. So I do know that it is working correctly, and it's much faster than I really thought it could be.
Yeah.
But I just turned the idle way down, so I might have to adjust that again real quick. But
That's the power of the purple bottom.
yeah, it was like the 701 could never be that fast. The idle speed is still way high, like crazy high.
If you want to hold it, I'll just hold it and you can do it while it's running.
I don't think that we're going to be holding it with the idle speed that it has.
Oh.
It's like open throttle idle speed.
I see. Well, you can just go out a really long way and then turn it in with it turned on or something. Might be easy.
I was trying to do that. Like maybe something idle adjustment, maybe like throttle cable. I just don't trust it, you know? I don't want it like flying off. Started it already, and now I'm messing up his lovely hair.
All right.
Oh, that looks just great.
Hopefully it's in a good
it's a pretty good angle, actually.
good angle.
It's a good angle.
So I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. I've never ridden the waveraider before. That's pretty sweet. That was trim all the way up. I'll try trim all the way down. Small ski to go really fast on. It's definitely light, and when something light goes that fast, it's definitely a little bit more interesting than when you have a really big, heavy, stable ski. But I think this would be a really cool, if you just want something really with a lot of bottom end hit, and that could really jump waves. Like if you wanted like an alternative to a wave blaster in the surf, I think this would be really good. So this is, yeah, it's lighter and it's probably a little bit better for jumping, really. And it's a little bit more crazy to ride than the GP hull, but it's quite fun. I can see a little bit where people say that they have interesting moments where they almost die on these. I guess I can kind of understand maybe that, but Yeah, I could see a triple in this being pretty crazy. Like I don't know how badly I want to go 70 miles an hour on this ski, but I think we're going to be pushing that amount of power when we get the next engine in it, so it'll be crazy. Alright, that's it for now. Pretty rad ski. Oh, this is gonna feel like I'm standing on solid ground.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. I can't believe we're doing this. This is March 31st.
Yeah. No fear.
And I'm trying not to get my shorts wet. I think I'm still recording. Am I still recording? What do you guys think? Am I still going? Oh yeah, I am. Okay. Got that on the new waveraider. I can't believe a 701 can go that fast. We've clocked it at 55 on this. You know, these are a little bit off, so maybe it's like 53 or something. And I don't know if we've clocked that SXR yet. We probably should do that. But this is fan-freaking-tastic. Let's top speed that thing.
Okay, it's running a little weird.
Oh, if it's not ready, then we'll just wait. Go. He's turning. I don't know what's going on. Waiting for him to give me the look like, yeah, we're doing it. Dad seems to be playing with the waveraider for some reason. Let's go in and see what he's doing. I think he's just coming right back out now. He was saying something about one of the carbs seemed funky to him, which is fine. I mean, I just got it. I just barely got it working. Sort of okay. Is it busted? What happened?
I don't know.
Just runs bad? Okay. Need help? Looks like he's got it. Oh, I'm sure it could. I'm sure it can. I just haven't played with it hardly at all.
But it works.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Who wants to go slow anyway?
Yeah, there you go.
You back on your Yamaha now?
Yeah, because Yamahas don't break down. Am I right, Jacob? Okay, and I said that and I jinxed him.
Yeah.
I broke his Yamaha by saying that.
Yes. That's right.
All right, sorry, bud. Oh my goodness, we're still recording. Get a look at that waveraider, huh? I won't believe what I paid for that thing. $25. I'm just kidding. I'm actually getting a little bit cold now. I'm not really wet, but like, I don't know if I said this already, but it's still March, well, the time of this being recorded. And I forgot my Hero 7, so we're on the Hero 5 today. So, sorry it's not as stable as it can be, but I'm gonna try to start remembering to bring that with me. I can see why people like the waveraider. I get that they get squirrely at a high speed. Like, I haven't experienced that, because that one I don't think goes top speed high enough to get squirrely. And also I haven't really ridden it that much. Because my dad was like, I'm taking this. And I was like, okay. And I was like, I'll go get the seadoo and we'll all ride together. But now Jacob's stuff is all broken. And Jason's not here.
You know what's funny is this probably weighs close to as much as that waveraider. Really heavy trying to push it out there by myself. Yeah, I'm not too upset because at least my superjet ran for most of the day and it seemed like it was working pretty good. The only thing that made me feel kind of bad was I was working my tail off riding that thing fast, and you guys, I was like, okay, now I got a chance to hang with these fast sit downs, and it's just really hard to ride that fast. And the hood is a direct vent onto the engine with no baffling, so I don't want to let it tip over, and I don't want to fall off and get hurt too. So it's a little bit intimidating riding a stock square nose that fast.
Oh man, I guess right now is a good time for your comment below what you think is going to happen with the waveraider.
Yeah.
Well, you tell them.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna have the 1200 Yamaha Shootout going. With everybody's got their 1200 Yamaha build. So yeah, tell us what you think is gonna happen and which one is gonna be the best.
Wow, I didn't really think of it that way, but yeah, we'll have the stand-up, we'll have the medium, because the wave blaster is like an in-betweener. What do they call that? A half runabout?
I don't think they call it that. I think they call it a really small runabout.
Oh, small runabout, and then the waveraider, which is a runabout class.
Which is also a quite small runabout.
That's gonna be weird.
Yeah.
My allergies. So, yeah, that's great.
Yep. But yeah, we'll see you next time. Oh, and pretty awesome. We just got to 800 subscribers, and I want to thank you for that. We don't put these videos on, you know, direct time schedule, so I'm thinking ahead, like, because I know we're gonna have 800 subscribers. Put this video on there, so. But anyway, I want to thank you for that, and as a gift to you, we're going to ask you to make your buddies subscribe and watch all our videos.
Good. That's a good one.
Yeah.